To kapod wantiere weche motudore kod somo ene sirkal mapachoka osingo mar keto chenro makare mar neno ni jopuonjre mawuok e gred 8 kadhi e gred 9 dwe mar achiel higa manyien odhi mbele kod somgi e yo maber maonge chochni mora mora. Kaluwore kod jalup jatend jotije mag sirkal Eliudo Walo, sirkal osetieko chano chenro mar gero kilese 16,000 e skunde mopogore opogore e pachoka ma jopuonjre madonjo e gred 9 biro bedo ka some higa manyien. Owalo bende owacho ni sirkal chano tieko midhiero mar nok mar jopuonj kama duol mandiko jopuonje tich TAC biro ndiko e yo maongirore jopuonje 14,000 mosebedo ka puonjo kaka interns ka japuonj mamoko 20,000 bende ibiro ndike tich.
Tell the community who are also special.
The government is doing its best to ensure that the transition from standard 8 to 9 at primary school level is facilitated. We need about an additional 16,000 classrooms, and the government has put in place mechanisms, financial facilitation, to ensure that as at January 2025, we are going to have an additional 16,000 classrooms spread evenly all over the country. We are aware that we have been having a shortage of teachers, and that is why the government has again decided to absorb the 46,000 teachers who have been teaching as interns. Now they are being absorbed fully through the Teacher Service Commission.
Our objectives as funders of this project to make sure that our children are well prepared to be digital natives of the future. This is now your responsibility. It is not ours. And I can tell you, this is not the last time we're coming here. We want to come here and to make sure that facilities that we've offered are delivering to our expectations. So I can guarantee you, this is not the last time we're handing over, but we'll be constant visitors here.